Okay, hello. Today I'm just going to show you how to add some texturing to your surfaces. Because right now we've just added some straight color, we've added some red uh, uh, and some black and some white. We added in a space background here. I want to show you how to add in like a texture. And you can see down here I've added some pictures to the inside of my walls. So essentially what I'm going to do is we need to create a background that is a photograph. You would essentially do that by going into your Hypershade. And let's put that to, we'll put that on and we'll put that on so you can see everything. And actually, I'm going to get that off of the camera because if I move stuff here, it'll be, I'm just going to put it on the perspective and then go in. Because that way I'm not moving around my camera. So let's go back in and, let's go to perspective and there we go. So how you make a background that has a texture, what you can do is just make a new, I'm going to make a new Fong, which is just one with a matte surface. Gonna name it, and so I'm just gonna name it like pick number 6, and then I hit tab to get out of that. And then instead of doing color like we normally do, what you might do is just click on this little box right here, which brings up some more attributes. Now these attributes, you have your choice of like doing they've got some pre-existing ocean or water or granite, and all that works very well. Or you can choose file. And so you choose file and it brings up another box. Well, what file do you want? So we just choose, go into here, and you choose whatever file that you want. So let's just go grab one. I'll get one off of here. Oops, I don't want to go in there. I want to go in here and in my Maya file. And then I think I've got some pictures here. Here's the same outer space wallpaper that I've got. And so I'm going to just open that up. And now this looks like my outer space. And so I would just take a, if you want, you can take a look at it there, or how it looks like draped over a cloth. Or like a space ocean or whichever. And then you can apply the same sort of attributes here than you would to any color. So that is just mapping around. Now, and you can just take that and you can just drag that to any object as you want, just as a regular color. So let's just go make one. Let's just go make a ball real quick. Okay, gonna make that ball really big. So let's just go like 15, 15, 15. I've engulfed the MTV logo there. And we go in there and I'm just gonna drag the that pick 6, just holding down the center button and dragging that over, and you can see that I've done that just like anything else. Okay. It works really well. So let's get rid of this. And what I want to do, the next part of the lesson, I want to show you how you can just apply it to one section. If I were to go into, and let's just make a box, because the box will be, has definite sides to it. And let's go to, let's make that 10, 10, 10. And now that's engulfed the MTV logo as well. Rather than just, if I were to apply it, it would wrap around the box. But I want to apply it to just one side. If I go up to this little hammer and Rubik's Cube up here, and this is my object selector, I can select just sides and I can drag those out. I think I showed you in an earlier lesson. I can also pick the individual shapes. If I have that shape selected, and if I go into here, I can also drag over, let's just go to this guy here and drag that over to this box. Okay, it's just taking a second in order to do. There it is right there. Now you'll see it's too big. We can fix that. Now if you wanted to go into object mode and just and apply something to a whole object, If I'm already in this Hypershade mode, if I were to hold down the right key, there's your edge, there's your object mode. Now I've got like the whole thing selected. Or you can go back into hold the right key down and just select one face, and then you can go in and then you can just drag over this. Now, if I go out of here, you see we want to fix it so this we see the whole picture in here. If I have this one face selected, what you can do is just go, it's called UV and contour stretch. And you see how it's there. And this one, UV contour stretch. Now you see how there, you can't really control what side is up. This one's upside down, this one's 90 degrees. Select this one, you want to rotate it, back up to UV and go to rotate. And then we want to see our options. And let's see, is it 90 or is it minus 90? Let's find out. Okay, so can I go minus 90? Yeah, good. So minus 90. And then apply. Well, that didn't work. There we go. Well, that's just bizarre. Minus 120. Minus 130. Well, that's just bizarre. Okay, well, you should be able to do this. I'm going to find that out, and I'm going to 90, 180. Why is it? 130. Bizarre. Okay. Well, we're going to figure that out in class together. Okay, so thanks very much. Sorry that was a bit of a dud. Let's try it on this one here. Let's go into our shape here, and let's try and flip that one 180. If I go 180, yeah, that worked perfect. Okay, not sure why that went like that. But you can see now that if I just have this on the object mode, you can see though that when I've gone into my actual logo here, I've tried to do like this Marvel thing where the guys are painted on the inside of each one. So as I do my camera flyby through here, you get to see all the, there we go. There you go. You're doing a little flyby of all the different pictures on there, just kind of like the Marvel logo. Okay. Just like that. Okay, so thanks and good luck with your video.